Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I'm reviewing a drone. Well, this is a special drone. This is a DIY drone that you build it yourself. It comes with 54 pieces, and this is for ages 14 plus. Yeah, but first, roll those titles. Right, now this is a drone that you can get. I put the product link where you can actually get this from on the description below. So if you want to buy this, you can. You just click the description below and you can buy this. This is by TopRace. This is there. And this is a DIY building block drone. Obviously this is TR-D5 model. And the features are here. Obviously it's got DIY drone. It's up, down, left, right, side flying, 3D flips and stunts, LED headlights, headless mode, and 1 key return. It doesn't say anything else in the box. It comes with this controller here. I'll show you that in a minute. Open the box. At the back, it just shows you another picture of it. Right, now let's have a look what's inside the box. Now inside the box, this is what you get. Let's get that off. You'll get the instructions. You get the pieces here. These are like Lego pieces that you get with it. Comes with a sort of a USB cable to charge it. These are all the Lego pieces what you get. Obviously this is all the propellers and different things. There's a battery. This is the controller. It doesn't come with batteries, so you have to put batteries in there. I don't actually know what batteries you have to take, but I believe it's AAA. I'll have to go and check it now. Let me get a screwdriver and just check what batteries they take. Oh. Oh, it's AA. Not AAA. 3 AA batteries, but don't actually cost much actually to buy, so you can pick them up pretty cheap. The battery inside it is 600 milliamp. And for this here is the camera. This is like the frame to protect it when it flies, and small bits and bobs. I won't actually, for now, I won't actually do a video of me fixing it up, because it's just gone forever and ever and ever, and people think it's how boring this video is, and it's comment boring video. I'm not going to do that, but I will do another video, probably tomorrow or the next day, of me actually fixing this up. So be subscribe to my channel and you'll see it. Video about me actually fixing it up and flying it, and see if it's any good. Like I say, you can buy this on Amazon, and this is well at the moment on Amazon. This is Amazon UK. It's actually £30, so I don't think that's actually dear. I think that's quite a good, reasonable price, because it's great for kids. But yeah, apart from that, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video when I'm actually fixing it up, this drone itself. So please subscribe to my channel so you can actually see this all set up and going and running. But bye for now.